been transformed from a sleepy Spanish town into a modern city. In the island ship, serving the archipelago of some 7,000 islands, berthed along the quays of the passage river that flows through the center of the city. From the stern fly both the American and Philippine flags, for the Commonwealth government is still under the protection and advice of the United States. Much of the local trading is carried on in cascos, flat-bottom boats which are poled through the many canals and waterways of Manila. Each casco has its family, whose life is spent beneath its bamboo or palm.
1 year since you said I do. I'm still heartbroken, but you still can smile. So I send these greetings to you. Many happy returns of the day. And there isn't much more I can say. I recall with a tear you've been married a year, but I still wish you luck with a heart that's sincere. I won't bring any presents to you. I gave you up, what more can I do? I'll just send a bouquet with a card that will say many happy returns of the day. I won't bring any presents to you. I gave you up, what more can I do? I'll just send a bouquet with a card that will say many happy returns of the day.
And here also is the modern business area of the city. In this section are the greatest contrasts.